So how to insert a menu inside Joomla CMS. Joomla is one of the popular content management system, and today I'm going to teach you how to put a beautiful menu inside your Joomla. Okay, so without any delay, let's begin. So this is the interface of your Joomla. Okay, so for this one, just you have to go in the menus and you have to click in the all menu items. Okay, so from here you will get the ideas how many menus do you have. So now you can say I have totally 5 menus available. If I click here inside the menu, so now you can see here I'm using a main menu. Okay, and if you don't know how to create this type of the menu, just you have to go in, and after that you have to click a sorry menu, and then after that just you have to click in the new menu. Okay, then after that you will get this type of the interface, and you have to give the title. So for example, I am just typing the footer menu. Okay, then from here just you have to type the menu type. Okay, so but in this time I am not using anything, so I am just typing here footer menu. Okay, then after that just you have to type something footer menu, and just you have to click in the site. Okay, then after that just you have to click in the save and close. So now you can see here your menu it's saving. So now if I click here, so now you can see here there is total two menu available. The first one is the main menu and the second one is the footer menu. And the main menu have the 5 components and the footer menu have the 0 components. Okay, so now if you want to add more menu items, just you have to go in the menu items. Now it's loading, and if you want to create another new menu, just you have to go in the new, and after that you will get another new options. So from here, so it's asking me the menu title. So from here I am just keeping contact us. Okay, and after that you have to select the menu type. So from the select you can choose the menu type. So there are various options. So in this time I'm just choosing the article, and from here you can choose the category block or category list. If you want to add a category for your menu, then in that time you have to choose the category block. But in this time I'm just choosing create a new article, and I'm just clicking here. Okay, so after that, so it's loading again, and it will take a little bit time. Then after that uh, you can give the link, and from here just you have to choose the option from here. So there are 3 options available: parent, new window with navigation, new without navigation, but I am just choosing this one, parent. And from here you can choose the template style. Okay, so there are few template style option available, and from here you have to choose your the main menu. Okay, so in which menu do you want to add this one? So in this time I am just using the main menu. Okay, and from here you can, if you want to make a drop down menu, then in that case you can choose this one, but I am not choosing this one. Okay, so I am just clicking in the save, and or if you want to save, and if you want to create new another menu, then in that case you have to click in the save and new. Otherwise you can directly click in the save and close. Okay, but in this time I'm just clicking in the save and close. So now it's again loading, and now you can say menu item saved. So I have totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 menu available inside here. So if I refresh this one, so now you can see here my new menu is available inside here. Okay, so in this way you can easily create your menu inside Joomla. So hoping that you get a few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.